Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to buy an Apple gift card online during Black Friday so you can take advantage of the best discounts and bonus deals. First, open your browser and go to the official Apple gift card page on Apple's website. During Black Friday, Apple usually offers bonus Apple Store credit when you buy a gift card, so make sure you're on the Black Friday promo page. You can also check major retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and Target because they often offer even better deals, such as extra store credit, instant discounts, or cashback. Once you're on the retailer you prefer, choose a type of Apple gift card you want. Most stores give the option to buy a digital code delivered to your email or a physical card that gets shipped to your address. Select the amount you want, usually $25, $50, $100, or you can enter a custom value. After choosing the amount, add the gift card to your cart. If there's a Black Friday bonus, you'll see it at checkout, either as extra credit, a discount, or a reward card. Continue to checkout and sign into your account. Enter your payment information and complete the purchase. If you bought a digital Apple gift card, the code will be sent to your email within a few minutes. You can redeem it instantly in the App Store or Apple ID settings, or send it to someone as a gift. If you ordered a physical card, you'll receive a tracking number and it will be shipped to your address. That's it. That's how you buy an Apple gift card online during Black Friday and make sure you get the best deal possible.